Have you ever flushed the toilet or watched the water go down the plug hole and wondered, where does it all actually go? It's something we do every single day, but most of us have no idea about the incredible, hidden world beneath our feet. Today, we're diving deep into the UK's amazing drainage system. So, let's start at home. Every time you use a sink, shower or toilet, that water enters a small pipe. This is your home's private drain. All these small pipes eventually connect to a larger, shared drain pipe that runs underneath your street. This is where things get interesting. In many parts of the UK, especially in older towns and cities, we have what's called a combined sewer system. This means that both the wastewater from our homes, that is, the dirty stuff from toilets and sinks, and the rainwater that runs off our roofs and roads, all flow into the same pipe. Now, imagine all the pipes from all the houses on your street, and the street next to it, and the one after that, all joining together. They flow into even bigger pipes called trunk sewers. These are like the motorways of the sewer world, massive tunnels that can be large enough for a person to walk through. These trunk sewers carry millions of litres of wastewater and rainwater, all moving silently beneath our busy lives. So, where is this massive river of water heading? It's all flowing, mostly by gravity, towards a wastewater treatment plant. On its journey, it might pass through pumping stations, which give the water a lift to help it over hills and continue its journey. Once it arrives at the treatment plant, an incredible process begins. The water is screened to remove large objects, and you wouldn't believe the things people flush. Then, it goes through various stages of settling and biological treatment, where helpful bacteria get to work cleaning the water. After this rigorous cleaning process, the water is finally clean enough to be safely returned to our rivers and the sea. It's a non-stop, 24/7 operation that protects our health and our environment. The next time it rains or you pull the plug, just take a moment to think about the incredible unseen journey that water is about to take. It's a true marvel of engineering, quietly working away to keep our country running. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the drains fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the world around us. See you in the next one.